Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number is 1160. Find words that can be formed by characters. You can give an array of strings words and a string chars. A string is good if it can be formed by characters from chars. Each character can only be used once. Return when sum of lengths of all good strings in words. It's easy level problem, so we can do it easily. First of all, we need uh, get number of occurrence of each characters in string chars. After it, we can check each word in strings words, and if number of characters in strings in list words less or equal than number of occurrences in the string chars, then it a valid word, and we add the word length to the result variable, and finally we will return it. Let's do it. First of all, let's create variable for result. Let's call it answer, and it's 0 by default. Next, we need to count number of each character in chars. So let's call it chars count, and we can get it by using function counter in Python. Counter with argument chars. Now we have a dictionary chars count with keys. Its characters and values, the number of each character in chars. And now we can check each word in list words. For each word, we also need to count number of each characters. So let's call it word count and use the same function counter of word. Next, we need to check its character in word count and check if the count less or equal the same character in chars count. And we can use function all. It's a built-in function in Python which return true if all elements pass to the all at all elements true. So we can check every character, and if chars count of C greater of or equal than count for C and count its key and value in dictionary word count. And in this case, we need to call method items. This method return pair of key and value from the dictionary. And now, if all characters valid, we can add the word length to the answer. So let's increment. And finally, we can we need to return answer. Let's check tests. Yes, it works. Submitted. It works and pretty efficient. Now let's analyze the time complexity of our solution. The algorithm has time complexity of sum of lengths all words in argument words, because we use one loop through all words, and inside each iteration we count the number of characters in each word. So total time complexity will be sum of lengths of each word. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.